Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming which Apple ID controls iCloud for photos. Go to Settings and tap your name. This ensures you remove the correct account. Once done, check iCloud Photos is on and note sync status because turning it off without export can remove items. Make sure to export any important photos to your computer or external drive now. This prevents permanent loss. If you use multiple devices, sign in to each to see where your library lives before proceeding. You now disable iCloud Photos. Open Settings, right arrow Photos, and toggle iCloud Photos off. When prompted, choose Download and keep originals if you want local copies. Choose Remove from iPhone only if you already exported. Because the phone may be syncing thousands of images, give it time to finish any downloads. This avoids incomplete libraries. Once local storage matches expectations, sign out of iCloud if desired, or go to Photos and confirm items removed from the cloud are no longer visible on this device. Finish by signing out of iCloud. Open Settings, tap your name, and choose Sign Out, confirming deletion of iCloud data from the device as needed. You should then verify on iCloud. Confirm that photos are removed or still retained per your choice. This confirms the cloud state. If things go wrong, such as missing downloads or sync conflicts, re-enable iCloud Photos briefly on the device to force a fresh sync, wait for completion. Then repeat the disable and sign out steps to resolve inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.